Okay, so in this class we are going to see all the formulas, all the properties in the third chapter. So first of all, we must know that what is the basic default one, that this sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know that already. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that, so if we are, so sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if you take sine square theta left hand side, what you will have 1 minus cos square theta, and then cos square theta left hand side etc. It will become 1 minus sine square theta. Yeah, so for that one we have a three property, correct? So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and then sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Yeah, and then we have to know that Pythagoras formula, all the Pythagoras formula we must know that. What are the Pythagoras formula? So in the right angle triangle, okay, in the right angle triangle, this is a 90 degree. Okay, so hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So hypotenuse, where is hypotenuse? Opposite of the right angle. So this is hypotenuse. Opposite value is opposite of the degree value. So this is opposite. Balance is adjacent. How do you find out values, ratios? So sine theta is equal to what? Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And you must know that how to write tan theta, and then similarly tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Why you get tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent? Because tan theta I can write sin theta by cos theta. Okay, tan theta I can write sin theta by cos theta. So opposite side divided by adjacent side divided by adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse you get cancel. You will get, okay, so you will get tan theta value. So sin theta value we know that. What is sin theta? Sin theta value is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So tan theta is equal to, I can write tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, sin theta by cos theta. So if you divided by these two, hypotenuse gets cancelled. What do you get? Opposite divided by adjacent. That's for the tan theta value. Okay, so usually you have to know that all the this. I can write cos theta theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So secant theta, how can I write 1 by cos theta? You know that. And cosecant theta, I can write 1 by sin theta. So you have to know that tan theta, cot theta. So tan theta means what? End of the results, if you have a tan theta or cot theta or secant theta or cosecant theta, you must change that into sin theta, either sin theta or cos theta. How? Tan theta I can write sin theta by cos theta, cot theta I can write cos theta by sin theta, secant theta I can write 1 by cos theta, cosecant theta I can write 1 by sin theta. Okay, so these are the property, small property. And then this is important one, I already told that. Look at the first one, cos of alpha plus or minus beta. So if you don't convince alpha beta, you can read it AB. Okay. So cos of A plus B formula, cos of A minus B formula, sin of A plus B formula, sin of A minus B formula, and then tan of A plus B formula, tan of A minus B formula. Okay, 6 formula, very important. So first one is, okay, so cos of A plus B formula. So we already know that this formula. Okay, so cos of a plus b, I can write cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. I already said that example also. Okay, and then cos of a minus b, I can write cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So you have to very careful with the plus or minus. Okay, sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And then tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay. And then this is full of sin identity, sin theta identities. So sin 2a, I can write out 2 sin a cos a. Okay. So for example, if you have sin 2t, suppose if you have எப்படி நான் எழுதலாம்? Write 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a also I can write, because if the given question is like the cos sign means you can use the first property. Suppose if the given question is of tan formula means you can use this formula 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. But that first one is very important. Okay, and then sin 3a, I can write 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. And then sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, sin theta is equal to 2 tan bar. Suppose in the given question la vandu sin cos பண்ணிட்டு தந்தாங்கன்னா you can use 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Suppose in the given question is of tan theta means 2 sin theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Yeah, as usual, same formula. Cos 2a, there are several identities are there for cos 2a. First one is what? Cos square a minus sin square a. And then cos 2a, I can write 2 cos square a minus 1. Yeah, so where do I have to use this one? If the given question is of or given I want answer in the form of cos a means you have to use 2 cos square a minus 1. Suppose sin means 1 minus 2 sin square a. Tan means 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. That's it. And then cos 3a, that is also very important. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, as well as cos theta values also. Okay. And then tan 2a, tan 2a, I can write out 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2a, I can write out 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus t tan square a. So read very carefully. And also similar formulas are there. Area, yeah, area, find out how to find out area of the triangle. This is the formula. So that is del is equal to root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. That is Heron's formula. Okay, so s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, this is a formula. So suppose for example, okay, look at the third formula, root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Suppose the question is find the area of the triangle. Also they given the 3 sides. Suppose, yeah, one side 5 centimeter, second side 10 centimeter, third side 15 centimeter. They given that. First of all, what you have to do, write the formula and you have to find out s value. So first of all, you have to write that centimeter, yeah, that side as first side a is equal to 5 centimeter, second side b is equal to 10 centimeter, third side c is equal to 15 centimeter. That is the first step. Okay, and then you have to find out s value. How to find out s value? So s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. That is the formula. Okay, if you want to find out s value, you have to add three sides and divided by 2. So s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. After substitute, you will get the s value and then directly substitute here in the formula. S value and s value minus a value and s value minus b value and s value minus c value, you will get the answer. That's it. So all the formulas you must read because all the formulas are very important. If you read and thorough all the formulas, you can solve all the problems. Okay, next class we are going to see all the problems.